Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos as I upload my videos every Monday and Friday. Okay, so today since it is the last day of this month, I'll be reviewing my month. Do let me know in the comment section your month. Okay, yeah, that's all. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing, like at the starting of the month, I have visited Clue Hunt. So basically what is that? It is like they lock us in a room and there are many clues, so we have to, using that clue, we have to come out of that room. It is for 1 hour maybe, and the price is quite expensive. So yeah, and it was great fun. I went with my friends and I enjoyed it. So once you must experience that, like it checks your brain, your intelligence. Okay, next thing is that I went for a trip with my friends to Lonavala, and if you must be following me on my social medias, you must be knowing, and if you're not following, go and follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat. Yeah, so I went to Lonavala. It was 2 days wala trip, and third day it was extended because we wanted to go for a Pauna Lake campaign, and we stayed in tent, and it was great fun, a different experience. And yeah, I'll put pictures over here, and it was really nice. I did photo shoot over there, like I told my friends to click my pictures. I took almost 4 to 5 outfits to change. So yeah, because I wasn't having such good photos for my Instagram. So yeah, and next thing is I was in a pool for 2 days. Like 2 days we went in a pool in that villa. See, actually we booked a villa, and in that villa there was pool, and 2 days we went in pool in that hot sun. So my skin got totally tan, and by मतलब कुछ भी करके anyhow I removed those tanning from my skin, and still it is there. So yeah, so if you're going in a pool, just take care, yeah. I put sunscreen, I went with full protection, but then also like कुछ तो होता ही है ना, but it's okay. इसके वजह से don't avoid going in pool, just have fun in life. What skin tone, it goes light dark, doesn't matter, but that fun won't come again in your life. So yeah, always have fun. Okay, now the next thing was Holi. Yeah, Holi was really like depressing type, not that depressing, but yeah, sort of, because many of my friends have gone out of India, and some of the friends were just busy, so I felt that I won't play Holi this year. And one of my best friend who used to be there always in Holi, and we, like childhood friend, we both used to spend a good amount of time in Holi. And this year she wasn't there, so I missed her a lot. So you're watching, then you know. But yeah, some of my friends came and took me and just played Holi and came home. Not that big thing, but okay, yeah. So you must have seen those pictures also on Snapchat and Instagram. Okay, now let's come to movies. I watched only 2, that is Ek Ladki Ko Dekha. It's really like, don't watch that movie. And next was Badla. Badla is a good movie, I liked it. And the acting, like seriously, it is next level. Like it is very nice. Yeah. Now in this month I went to eat pasta at Churchgate WTC ka, and it is like, I don't know what happened to me. I'm not that foodie, but then also like this pasta, I just loved it. So I went with my college friends. I have been many a times with them, and yeah, this time also I went with them, and it was a great night. I enjoyed a lot. Now let's come to shopping. I haven't done any of the shopping this month, and I was just working. Yeah, I had fun. Like always I say, work, and at weekends have fun. Yeah, that should be the rule. Just don't work, and just don't have fun. It's always balance. Yeah, so I was working a lot. Like you can't say, like from morning 9 till evening 9, night 9, I was just working. So it was literally hectic month, and I felt the month was very long. Okay, next thing is that I started following a proper diet. So no, before that I'll like to tell you guys that my subscription of Zumba I took 1 year last year. Last year I took subscription of my Zumba classes for 1 year and it was over now. So I didn't wanted to go that same class because the timing wasn't proper. Like the timing was 5 to 6. So during college it was comfortable for me. Like from college I used to go direct. But now I'm working, so it is not possible for me. So what I wanted is morning wala timing. So now I changed my Zumba class and the timing is 7 to 8 in the morning. So I have a proper routine now. I wake up, I go Zumba, I follow proper diet, like strictly follow proper diet. Like I literally count calories, I don't know why, but yeah, I'm liking it. And it's really good to be healthy, like eating healthy, drinking healthy food. It literally makes you feel fresh and feel good. So it feels good from inside, so it is good. Yeah, if you guys want, I'll share my diet routine and all those routine in my coming up videos. Okay, yeah. And that was all for today. I don't think I have done anything else this month, but yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah guys, if you are seeing my video for the first time, then every month I upload my monthly review, like so that we guys can connect to each other. And I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday. I upload DIY fashion and many stuffs, so you'll have fun. So do subscribe, it's free, come on. Okay, next thing I wanted to tell you is that please subscribe if you are watching first time or you are coming to my channel first time, because it was like soon want to cross 10k. Guys, soon we have to cross 10k subscribers anyhow. So come on, subscribe fast and give this video a big thumbs up. Please give a like so that I may know like what type of videos you like. Yeah, and comment section, do let me know what other videos you would like to see, and tell me what weird things or what strange things or what good things you have done this month. Yeah, bye bye, see you in next video.